In the summer of 1776, in the midst of the American Revolution, a document was drafted that would forever change the course of history. This document, known as the Declaration of Independence, was a bold proclamation by the 13 American colonies that they were now free and independent states, no longer under British rule. The journey to this momentous declaration was a long and arduous one. It began in the early 17th century when English settlers first established colonies in the New World. For over 150 years, these colonies were governed by British rule, but tensions began to rise in the mid-18th century. The British government levied heavy taxes and imposed strict laws on the colonies, leading to widespread discontent and calls for independence. The turning point came in 1774 with the First Continental Congress, a meeting of delegates from 12 of the 13 colonies. Here, they discussed their grievances and planned a course of action. They sent a declaration to King George III, outlining their complaints and asking for a peaceful resolution. But their pleas fell on deaf ears. This led to the Second Continental Congress in 1775, where the idea of independence began to gain traction. A year later, on July 4, 1776, the Declaration of Independence was adopted. This was not just a statement of separation. It was a groundbreaking document that laid out the principles of democracy and human rights. The notion that all men are created equal and have the right to life, liberty, and the pursuit of happiness was revolutionary. It challenged the idea of monarchy and divine right, asserting instead that power should come from the people. The impact of the Declaration of Independence was profound and far-reaching. It marked the birth of a new nation, the United States of America. It inspired revolutions and democratic movements around the world, and it set a precedent for future documents of freedom and human rights, including the French Declaration of the Rights of Man and the United Nations Universal Declaration of Human Rights. The Declaration of Independence was a beacon of hope and a call to action. It affirmed the power of the people to shape their own destiny and laid the foundation for a nation built on the principles of freedom, equality, and justice. It remains a powerful symbol of these ideals and an enduring testament to the courage and vision of those who dared to declare their independence. So, as we reflect on the Declaration of Independence, we remember not just a document, but a defining moment in history. It was a statement of defiance, a proclamation of freedom, and a declaration of a new nation, born out of a desire for self-determination and a belief in the unalienable rights of all people. It is a testament to the power of ideas, the importance of courage, and the enduring spirit of liberty. Thank you for watching our deep dive into the Declaration of Independence. We hope this has given you a deeper understanding of the principles and ideals that shaped our nation. If you enjoyed this video and want to learn more about history, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe to our channel, and leave us a comment below. We'd love to hear your thoughts on this defining moment in history and the impact it has had on our world. As we close, let's remember the timeless words engraved on our currency and in our hearts. In God we trust. Stay tuned for more historical deep dives, where we unravel the threads of the past to understand the fabric of our present. Until next time.